Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Crystal and this is Crystal Cleans. Today's video is going to be a power hour video. I don't have a ton of stuff to do, so I just wanted to make a list and get through it pretty quickly. I do have something planned though. I am planning on decluttering the entire house. Every room, every closet, every drawer, every nook and cranny of this house is getting cleaned and decluttered. I've kind of been reading a little bit about the KonMari method, so I'm kind of adapting that, but also kind of putting my own kind of spin on things. So it's more about making the house work for us and our family instead of having so much stuff that it's actually taking time away from spending time with them and doing the things that we want to do. Because the less stuff you have to clean, the less time you're going to spend cleaning it. So every week I'm going to be posting a video of a room that I've cleaned and decluttered. The reason why I say I'm making it like putting my own spin on it is because the book tells you to do everything by category, and I'm doing every room. So I'm not going to do like all of our clothes. I'm going to do like all of Wyatt's clothes. I've kind of already went through Charlotte and Juliet's clothes, but yeah, this video is not going to be too long today, so I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. So the first thing on my list was to just go ahead and clean up the kitchen, which is something I had to do anyway because the kids had just eaten breakfast. And then after this, I'll set my timer, and then I will get to the things that I want to get done. So the next thing on my list is to unload the dishwasher, so I will do that right after I finish setting the timer. I'm not sure really what this is, if it's breakdancing or yoga, but they're still cute. And I'm using these energy drops. I'm not really sure what the scent is. I got this little trial packet from Home Goods, so this one was energy, and I needed all the help I can get today. So when I clean out the sink, I usually just use dish soap, but if there's anything extra grimy in there, I'll use the Barkeeper's Friend spray. It's basically like a form of liquid magic eraser. It has the little scrubbies in it, so it can pretty much get off anything without having to use bleach. So next on my list is laundry, and I finally got all the laundry caught up, so this is just my one load a day. And it's basically just towels and sheets. So this is the easiest way I found to fold a fitted sheet, whether it's a crib sheet or a queen size fitted sheet. I fold them all the same. I pinch all the corners together and then kind of flip it inside out and then straighten it out to where it makes like kind of a square, and then I'll fold up the inside and then just fold it over each other. And then if you're doing the KonMari, it can stand up or you can just store it like so. Now I'm going to dust in the front room, and I first have to start by taking off these hooks that have been up here, I'm not gonna lie, since Christmas. These were for our stockings and I just could never get them off before. So I started messing with the first one and it came off pretty easy, so then I just decided to take all of them off. And I'm just using the Method wood cleaner in the almond scent for the mantle and around the mirror. And then I'm just going to use the glass cleaner I got for the lanterns and the picture frames and the mirror. And I honestly didn't realize how long my hair was until I was editing this video, and my hair's up like 95% of the time, so I didn't really realize how long it was, so I ended up cutting about 6 inches off after this video. And that's it. I got everything done on my list. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you next time.